Hello everybody, welcome back, and it's the next day and I'm ready to start filling in these holes like I talked about in the last segment. A couple things you're going to need is some plastic, it's actually called marine and plumbing repair hand moldable all-purpose white epoxy putty stick. It's a long title, but anyway, you don't have to have marine. They have these in different kinds. This is made by PC. There's other companies that make other ones that you might be more familiar with. You can usually find this stuff in like an Ace Hardware store. All it is just a little piece of, it comes in a stick, and you cut a piece off, you mold it up, and you stick it where you want to stick it, and it sticks to everything. I've found the best way to work with this stuff is with isopropyl alcohol. It cleans your tools, it makes your tools work better, it won't stick to nothing, and you want a nice clean tray to work in and some working tools. In this case I'm working really miniature stuff, so I'll be using small things to push the putty into. I start by just throwing some in there, some alcohol in the tray, and I also put a little alcohol in my knife and cut off just enough of what I'm going to be using, which is probably too much. This stuff's got a plastic sleeve on it, so make sure you're not cutting and mixing the plastic up into it. Now again, just throw it in there. I get my fingers all full of the alcohol, and just start molding it up. This has got a working time of about 15 minutes, so we have time for this. You can see how it's starting to stick to my fingers already. Put it down in alcohol, mix it around, get it all good, and all that green stuff has got to be kind of broke up into the white stuff, because that's what activates it. Again, you see how it's sticking to everything? And this alcohol just cuts it. You're going to get your hands messy. That's just the way it is. Have a rag handy so you can wash this stuff off. Now that's pretty good. And also this alcohol tends to make it more pliable, so you can get it down into areas that are tight and small. Good Lord, it's all over my fingers. It kind of disappeared. Ain't that something? So, I guess I was smushing too much. That's what happens.